I welcome you to the career tutorial. Today we know about tense form, simple form, how to make Odia sentence into English. Simple form, the negative form of a simple present. ମୁଁ ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ, ମୁଁ ଯାଏ, I go, ମୁଁ ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ, I do not go. ସେମାନେ ଖେଳନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ, ସେମାନେ ଖେଳନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ, ସେମାନେ ଖେଳନ୍ତି, they play, ସେମାନେ ଖେଳନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ, they do not play. Likewise, ତୁମେ ଖାଅ ନାହିଁ, ତୁମେ ଖାଅ, ତୁମେ ଯାଅ, you go, ତୁମେ ଖାଅ, you eat, ତୁମେ ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ, you do not go, ତୁମେ ଖାଅ ନାହିଁ, you do not eat. ପିଲାଟି ପଢେ ନାହିଁ, ପିଲାଟି ପଢେ ବା ପିଲାଟି ଯାଏ, ପିଲାଟି ଯାଏ, the child goes, ପିଲାଟି ପଢେ, the child reads. ଯେମିତି ସେ ଯାଏ, he goes, ସେ ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ, he does not go. ସେମିତି ପିଲାଟି ପଢେ, the child reads, ପିଲାଟି ପଢେ ନାହିଁ, the child does not read. ସୀତା ନାଚେ ନାହିଁ, ସୀତା ଯାଏ, ସୀତା goes, ସୀତା ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ, ସୀତା does not go, ସୀତା ନାଚେ ନାହିଁ, ସୀତା does not dance. So we have to know the present simple form. I go, we go, you go, he goes, they go. I do not go, we do not go, you do not go, he does not go, they do not go. Seemthi, do I go, do we go, do you go, does he go, do they go. This form or this present simple form is very difficult and always confuses us how to use them. We do not know where to add s or es with a verb and where we use does and do in the negative and interrogative sentence. So students, you have to follow the format present simple form. I go, we go, you go, he goes, and they go. If you like this video, you like the channel and subscribe the channel.